The Constitution of India is the longest written constitution of any country and it's the supreme law of India. Let's know more about Indian Constitution through this quiz. Which committee was formed to document the Constitution of India and when? Answer is the drafting committee was formed on 29th August 1947 to document the Constitution of India. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee and how many members were there in the committee? Answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee. Other 6 members were K.M. Munshi, Muhammad Sadullah, Aladi Krishnaswamy Iyer, Gopal Swamy Iyengar, N. Madhav Rao. He replaced B.L. Mitter, who resigned due to ill health. T.T. Krishnamachari. He replaced D.P. Khaitan, who died in 1948. Apart from these 6 members, B.N. Rao was appointed as the Assembly's constitutional advisor, who prepared an initial draft based on the reports and his research into the constitutions of other nations. Answer is B.N. Rao. His full name was Benegal Narsingh Rao. He was appointed as the Assembly's constitutional advisor in 1946. He was a civil servant who later became the first Indian judge in the International Court of Justice and also President of the United Nations Security Council. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, in his concluding speech in Constituent Assembly on 25th November 1949, stated that the credit that is given to me doesn't really belong to me. It belongs partly to Sir B.N. Rao, the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly, who prepared a rough draft of the Constitution for the consideration of drafting committee. The initial draft prepared by B.N. Rao consisted of how many articles and schedules? The answer is it had 243 articles and 13 schedules. How many articles and schedules were there in the Constitution when it was approved by Constituent Assembly? Answer is it had 395 articles and 8 schedules. On which date the Constitution was adopted by Constituent Assembly? Answer is it was 26th November 1949. How many members signed the first official copy of the Indian Constitution? 284 members signed the first official copy of the Indian Constitution. The Constituent Assembly was to have 389 members, but its membership was reduced to 299 after partition. In all, 284 members signed the Constitution on January 24, 1950. The copy of Constitution signed by the Constituent Assembly members was in which language? It was in English and Hindi. Each member signed 2 copies of the Constitution, one in Hindi and the other in English. Of the 15 women who signed on the first draft of the Constitution, whose name appears first? It's Ammu Swaminathan. She was a Gandhian and a social worker who served as Rajya Sabha MP from Madras from 1951 to 57. The artwork in the original Constitution was done by whom? The artwork was done by artists from Santiniketan, including Biohar Ram Manohar Sinha and Nandlal Bose. On 26th November 1949, Constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly. Every year, 26th November is celebrated as National Law Day or Constitution Day. The original Constitution is handwritten. Who was the calligrapher of the Constitution who documented it using a flowing italic style? He was Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada. Identify these two historical personalities depicted on the panel of the election sections of the Constitution. Answer is Chhatrapati Shivaji and Guru Gobind Singh. As of today, there are only 3 official languages in which the Constitution of India is written. If 2 are English and Hindi, what's the third? Answer is it's Arabic. The first Arabic translation of Indian Constitution was launched in Egypt in December 2014. The Constitution of India at 1,46,385 words is the longest governing document in the world. Which country's constitution comes second? Answer is it's Nigeria. The first 3 words of the preamble, "We the people," to the Indian Constitution are taken from which country's constitution? It's from USA. The language of preamble of the Indian Constitution is taken from the constitution of which country? It's taken from the Constitution of Australia. The term and the idea of the preamble was borrowed from the Constitution of United States of America. American Constitution was the first to begin with a preamble. However, the language of preamble is borrowed from Constitution of Australia. The ideals of liberty, equality and fraternity mentioned in the preamble has been taken from the Constitution of which country? Answer is, it was taken from France. In which year did the Supreme Court of India didn't consider preamble to be a part of the Constitution? Answer is, it was in 1960. The Supreme Court in Berubari Union case, that is in 1960, held that the preamble is not a part of the Constitution. However, it recognized that the preamble could be used as a guiding principle if a term in any article of the Constitution is ambiguous or has more than one meaning. During which case did the Supreme Court of India overturn its decision and considered preamble to be a part of the Constitution? Answer is, it's Kesavananda Bharati case. In Kesavananda Bharati case, that is on 1973, the Supreme Court overturned its earlier decision and held that the preamble is a part of the Constitution. Again, in LIC of India case, the Supreme Court held that the preamble is a part of the Constitution. The preamble to the Constitution of India has been amended how many times? Answer, it was amended once in 1976. Which words were added to the preamble of Indian Constitution in 1976 by the 42nd Amendment? Answer is, 3 words were added. They were socialist, secular and integrity. The preamble of Indian Constitution can be amended under which article? Answer, Under Article 368, the preamble of Indian Constitution can be amended. In the original manuscript of Indian Constitution, the Fundamental Rights section contains which picture? It contains images of Lord Ram, Sita and Lakshman. Fundamental rights are guaranteed under which articles of Indian Constitution? Fundamental rights are guaranteed in Part 3 of Constitution under Articles 12 to 35. Who is the ultimate defender or guarantor of fundamental rights in India? Answer is Supreme Court. Which fundamental right mentioned in Article 31 of our Constitution was abolished the 44th Amendment? Answer is its right to property. The fundamental duties of citizens were added to the Constitution in which year? Answer: its 42nd Amendment in 1976. The fundamental duties of citizens are part of which article? Answer is the Article 51A. How many fundamental duties of citizens are there? Answer is citizens have total 11 fundamental duties. Fundamental duties have been taken from which country? Answer is it has been taken from Soviet Union. Who can suspend the fundamental rights? Answer is the President. During national emergency, all the basic freedoms guaranteed by Article 19 automatically get suspended. During emergency, President can suspend all other fundamental rights also except Article 20, that is protection in respect of conviction for offences, and Article 21, protection of life and personal liberty. Such suspension needs parliamentary approval. Parliamentary form of government in India is taken from which country? Answer is United Kingdom. The concept of upper house and lower house were taken from United Kingdom. Which schedule of Indian Constitution mentions about the division of power between the Union and the states? Answer is it's the 7th schedule. In which country the concept of public interest litigation originated? Answer is it's from United States of America. The Banking Regulation Act 1949 was amended in which year to include cooperative banks under its purview? Answer is it's in the year 1965. Laws on which Supreme Court functions have been taken from which country? Answer is from Japan. Formation of Planning Commission to oversee economic development has been taken from which country? Answer is from Soviet Union. Who is the chairman of Planning Commission or Niti Aayog? Answer is the Prime Minister. Quasi-federal government, distribution of powers between the central and the state governments and residual power structure is taken from which country? Answer is from Canada. Laws pertaining to establishment, renaming, merging, or alerting the borders of the states or union territories are covered in which articles? Answer is, it's present in first part of Constitution and the articles are 1 to 4. Which article permits the President to dismiss a state government and assume direct authority if state government can't operate in accordance with Constitution? Answer is, it's the Article 356. Directive principles of state policy are mentioned in which section of the Constitution? It's mentioned in the fourth part of the Constitution and the articles are 36 to 51. Panchayats operate under which article of the Constitution? Answer is Articles 243 to 243O. Relations between the Union and the states and distribution of legislative powers are covered in which section of the Constitution? Answer is, it's present in the 11th part of the Constitution and the articles are 245 to 255. Which article provides superintendence, direction, and control of elections to be vested in an election commission? Answer is the Article 324. Right to Education Act was approved by Parliament in which year? Answer is, it's in the year 2009. How many amendments have been done to Indian Constitution till year 2021? Answer is, it's 105. Which of the following Constitutional Amendment Act amended the age of voting from 21 to 18? Answer is, it's the 61st Amendment Act. Goods and Services Tax, which is known as GST, was introduced as a part of which amendment? Answer is, it's 101st Amendment.
Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Quiz Kids and press the bell icon for notification.